ChatGPT just made history. For the first time ever, it became the most downloaded app in the world, beating out giants like Instagram and TikTok. Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. This is the kind of AI news you don't want to miss. In March, ChatGPT racked up a staggering 46 million downloads, according to app figures. That's a 28% jump from February, and enough to push Instagram to second place and TikTok to third. So what sparked this surge? One major reason: new features. March brought a massive upgrade to ChatGPT's image generation tools, the first big update in over a year. Suddenly, users were generating anime-style artwork in the spirit of Studio Ghibli films like Spirited Away and My Neighbor Totoro, which went viral fast. OpenAI also loosened content moderation for image generation and improved the Voice AI feature, all contributing to the app's growing appeal. But here's the kicker. The growth wasn't just about the updates. Experts believe ChatGPT has reached a tipping point in brand power. Just like Google became a verb in the 2000s, ChatGPT is becoming synonymous with AI itself. Even when new players like Grok or Claude hit the scene, curious users often still flock to ChatGPT. This dominance is making it tough for rivals to break through. While Anthropic's Claude struggles to gain traction, Grok might stand a better chance thanks to Elon Musk and his platform X. But even then, beating ChatGPT's momentum won't be easy. Meanwhile, Instagram, which led app charts throughout 2024, slipped to second, and TikTok fell to third. TikTok's earlier growth spike was partly driven by fears of a US ban, but that's now on hold as negotiations between the US and China continue. Other top apps in March included Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, and Meta's Threads. In total, the top 10 non-game apps were downloaded 339 million times, a sharp rise from February's 299 million. ChatGPT is no longer just an app, it's becoming the default gateway into AI. Check out the related video in the corner to see how this AI boom could impact your industry next.